Hello and welcome back. In this grammar lesson, we are going to learn how to use today, nowadays, and these days correctly, but first, let's start with a quick grammar quiz before we move on to the main part of the lesson. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Let's begin. Do you have blank newspaper? The correct answer is option B. We do not use today, nowadays, or these days as adjectives. So, we do not say today newspaper. Now let's talk about the words today, nowadays, and these days and how to use them correctly. Once we have covered these topics, we will then explore a few advanced grammar points. Stay tuned. Nowadays is commonly used as an adverb to indicate that something is happening or is true in the present time. Nowadays cannot be used as an adjective. Here are some examples of how nowadays would not be used as an adjective. 1. Nowadays fashion. This sentence is grammatically incorrect because nowadays is an adverb and cannot modify a noun like fashion. A correct way to phrase it would be fashion trends nowadays or fashion is different nowadays. 2. I love nowadays music. This sentence is also grammatically incorrect and the correct sentence would be I love the music that is popular nowadays. These days is also an adverb and cannot be used as an adjective. It means currently or in the present time. It is commonly used to talk about something that is happening now, but not necessarily on the current day. For example, these days, many people work from home. Today is commonly used to refer to the current day or the present time. It can also function as a noun in addition to being an adverb. Today cannot be used as an adjective to modify a noun. Examples: I am going to finish my homework today. In this sentence, today modifies the verb finish to indicate when the action will take place. It is used as an adverb of time to show that the speaker plans to complete their homework during the present day. Another example could be, today is my birthday. In this sentence, today is used as a subject noun to refer to the current day, which happens to be the speaker's birthday. In this section, we are going to talk about a couple of advanced points. When today is used as a noun, it can be used with the possessive s to indicate ownership or relationship to something. For example, today's weather is beautiful indicates that the beautiful weather is specifically related to the current day. Or, if you want to talk about a newspaper that was published on the current day, you could say today's newspaper. However, nowadays and these days are not used as nouns, and they cannot be used with the possessive s. We can use today, but not nowadays or these days, with of after a noun. In this case, we are typically referring to a specific day or time period. Examples: the newspaper of today features a headline about the presidential election. Here, today is used with of to refer to the newspaper that was published on a specific day, which is implied to be the current day. Another example is, the technology of today allows us to do things that were once impossible. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye and take care.